Look, over there.
Gabriel, what are they doing?
I fall down. I fall down.
I know, but what are these guys? Look. What are these guys doing, Gabe? Are they wrestling?
No, it look like babies.
What is going on?
Look, it's swimming right there.
I
on
see.
the down.
But what are these guys doing, Gabe? Look at them. Are they hugging?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Come here. Come here. Come here. No, come here, Mike. Two, look.
Careful. What are they doing, these guys? They're holding on for dear life, though, I tell you that.
Yeah.
They're all in a huddle. Oh, look at this guy. He's pushing this. Oh, he was pushing a stick. Look at, he's pushing a stick.
Okay.
Look at these guys. It's like National Geographic, Gabe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are those, what's that? What's going on there? What's that guy? You see him? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, that's enough right too.